Your blood pressure refers to the force of your blood against the walls of your blood vessels. It can either be in the healthy range or it can be too high, leading to what is known as hypertension or high blood pressure, one of the dreaded killer diseases, which is also known to significantly increase the risk of other health problems, including heart disease and stroke. Your diet can have a significant impact on your blood pressure. Some foods are known to have good effects on blood pressure, and when such foods are consumed, your blood pressure can be kept in the healthy range. Such foods include fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins such as fish and skinless chicken. However, on the other side of the spectrum lie some foods that are known to cause high blood pressure or even elevate their levels in the body. It is important to avoid a high intake of such foods as they can raise your blood volume and pressure, which, in turn, raises your risk of other health conditions. 1. Salty foods. Sodium, a major element in salt, is seen as a major contributor to high blood pressure and heart disease. Sodium in salty foods affects fluid balance in the blood and thus can raise blood pressure levels to unhealthy ranges. Salty foods that are recommended to watch out for include bread and rolls, pizza, sandwiches, soup, cold cuts, and cured meats. 2. Added sugars. A high intake of sugary foods can increase your blood pressure in many ways. Suagr-sweetened drinks contribute to weight gain in both adults and children, with obesity being one of the risk factors for high blood pressure. It is therefore recommended that you should lower your sugar intake, as this can help lower both your systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 3. Processed foods with trans or saturated fat. One of the best ways to keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure within the healthy ranges is by reducing your intake of foods with high content of saturated fats and trans fats. Trans fats are found in packaged foods and are known to raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and lowers HDL, good, cholesterol levels, which can increase the risk of hypertension. These fats are found in animal products such as red meat, full-fat milk and cream, butter, and chicken skin. 4. Alcohol. A high intake of alcohol can also increase your blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking less alcohol is linked to reduced blood pressure, especially in people who have at least 2 drinks per day and live with high blood pressure. Also, studies have shown that limiting alcohol intake in people who don't have hypertension can help limit the risk of developing high blood pressure.